What if our cities were havens for nature too? Where pollinator pathways stitch together diverse habitats, weaving their way through urban sprawls, where concrete sidewalks and car parks are replaced with verdant oases. This isn't just a utopia that will remain forever out of reach. Pocket forest by pocket forest, Tsugi is building that future. Since our founding, Tsugi has planted more than 240 pocket forests, composed of over 900 native species in cities around the world. It is possible to restore biodiversity and create thriving cities where communities, plants, soil, animals, pollinators and fungi coexist. But getting there requires dedication and collaboration. In London, our more than 30 pocket forests are the result of the hard work of dozens of partners. It's not enough to simply decide to plant a forest. It requires partnerships with local councils and schools, the surrounding community, businesses, and more. And the payoff is huge. These green corridors create an opportunity for cooling and connection. They protect all living creatures from the worst effects of the climate crisis, helping all of us not just survive, but thrive.